Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making something wonderful and finger-licking good. Philly cheesesteak egg rolls in the house, and make no mistake about it, it's twice as nice and double delicious. Let's get started. So these are my ingredients, guys. I'm going to be using some salt, some pepper, some garlic powder. I'll be using a little bit of onion powder along with some other seasonings as well. Listen, you could choose and pick whatever seasoning that suits you best that you like to put in your cheesesteak egg rolls. It's my choice. I want to get that pepper steak flavor from this egg roll. So you can use any seasonings you'd like to use, but I'm going to be using just something real simple at this point. I don't want to change too much of the ribeye. We're going to be using a little bit of ribeye, shaved beef if you have it, or thinly cut shaved beef. Also, you could use one green pepper. I'm going to use a half a green pepper to get through this process, along with an onion. I'm using a sweet Spanish onion for my egg roll. I'll chop these up fine before we sear them in the pan and saute the onions and the green peppers in. Put a little bit of oil in my pan. I'm going to put the onions and the peppers in the skillet, and we're going to saute them. And then we're going to mix our ribeye steak along with a little bit of seasonings here and there. Not too much to change the flavor of the beef. We do not want to over season. We over season too much, and sometimes we just put a cover of seasoning over top of food, and what happens? You lose the original flavor of what you're cooking. So I'm sauteing these onions and peppers up. We'll get them all sauteed real good. I hope everybody's doing well. Do apologize, guys. I was under the weather for a week or so, and this was one of the videos that I was supposed to put out, and at that time the weather had me down a little bit, but I'm back better than before. As they say, you're blessed, too blessed to be stressed, and that's where I'm at in life. Cheesesteak egg rolls is in the house, and this is fire. You're going to enjoy this double delicious egg roll because you're going to make a dipping sauce with it. It's a real easy process, step by step. You can do it, and I'll make sure I leave the full recipe down below in the description box for you. Don't forget, when we put the ribeye in, we're going to chop this up and we're going to make it nice and fine so it'll fit our egg roll wrap. So we're putting our ribeye in, and it's a good ribeye. It's pretty lean, nice, not too fatty, but enough fat to give moisture to it. We'll chop all of this up. And you can use what you have to chop it up, whatever you have to, get it nice and chopped up so that it will fit the egg roll evenly. So I'll put black pepper in there. Add garlic powder, some salt, taste, some onion powder. I hope you all having a wonderful day today, and I hope you and your family is in good health during this time of weather and also trying times in the world today. I hope you all have enjoyed the other recipes, and I hope you have tried some of the recipes. I'd like to hear from you guys to see whether or not some of the recipes worked out well for you, so that I can give you a shout out, let you know that I'm paying attention to what you're doing just as well as you're watching the videos. Don't forget to hit that like button, guys, because when you do that, you allow me to continue to make more videos like this and just keep it real. These are recipes that I've done for quite some time, and they're just a delicious. I like a good recipe. I like something delicious. Sometimes I like that street food, and I don't want to buy it. I just want to go home and make it. I want to try it. I'll eat it out and then see if I can perfect it much better going home and making it. So these are things that you can try at home, especially during this time of the year. It's Super Bowl time, and I I would say if it's Super Bowl time, you might want to try some finger food. I know most of us eat buffalo wings. I do have a video out with my wings. I have 4 different types of wings that I like to share with you. And I'm sure you've heard them all, but this recipe is going to get you. I got an Asian zing, I got a garlic palm, and a traditional buffalo wings, along with lemon pepper wing as well. These are really tasty ingredients that I'm able to use with them. It's like fire. It's really delicious. So I chopped up our ribeye steak in the skillet along with the green peppers and the onions, guys. And now I'm going to get ready to assemble all of this, and you can join me with this. If you're doing this at the same time I'm doing it, you can see that I'm going to put the wrapper in a diamond shape. So our ribeye steak is already prepared along with our green peppers and onions, and we'll put all this together and make a nice, good, delicious Philly cheesesteak egg roll out of it. So first of all, I'm going to put down a slice of provolone cheese. I'll put that in the center along with a spoonful or 2 of our steak ingredient. The mozzarella in there as well. And you'll notice I'm watering the edges because I want to seal the edges when I wrap this, guys. It can be a little messy, but it's a good mess, and you'll enjoy the benefits from all this goodness after it's completed. I'll cuff the sides. Each side I'll cuff and I'll tuck it in. Slide the little pieces in there. Yeah, you can do that. There you go. You'll roll it, and it'll even out for you at the end when it's sealed. You can just push down the ends of it on the platform. There you go. And see, we have a nice cheesesteak egg roll. I'm using 2 sheets, guys. So if you want to use one, that's fine. But I find using 2 sheets allows the steak to stay a little bit more firmer in the wrap. It don't break apart when it's frying, you know. More mozzarella there. Yeah. And again, I'll put a little bit of water on the edges. This will help seal the wrap. Flap over, tuck in. Don't worry about the little pieces, they'll roll in when you complete it. And there you have it. And you know, you could actually cook these and freeze them, and when you're ready to serve them, you can serve them and they'll still be delicious. Make no mistake about it, yeah. So all my egg rolls are done. Make sure your heat is at 350, guys, Fahrenheit. And this will give an even sear on all of your egg rolls. A nice golden brown on all of your egg rolls when your temperature is set right. And you'll notice I move my egg rolls around a lot because I'm using the wok in this case. And the reason why is because I don't want the egg rolls. Oops, I just dropped my thermometer in the oil. Sorry, guys. But just move them around in the wok or the skillet so they don't lay in one place and get burnt darker on one side than the other side. So that's why I'm using a wok, because it has a bevel to it. It has an arch down into it. So it makes the egg rolls float up a little bit when they're almost, completely brown. Or golden brown, that is. So tell me what's your team, guys. Make sure you leave a comment down the bottom. I'd like to know who your team between these two guys. I mean, besides, I know you may have a team that may not didn't go to the playoffs or are not in the Super Bowl, but who are you rooting for? You know what I'm saying? Like, where's the rally at for what team? And if you have one, put a comment down the bottom. I'd like to know. I would like to comment with you. I'm Mike G. This is Flavor Foodie. Go Birds. Nice and golden brown. This is what I'm looking for as I prepare this delicious finger food. Excellent Super Bowl choice. I know we like the buffalo wings. I like the buffalo wings. I have done a video for the buffalo wings. I have not edited it yet, but I'm going to edit that and I'll send that out as well, guys. Again, I do apologize for a week where I missed in sending this one out, simply because, again, I was a little under the weather and I just had a birthday, so the celebratorial moments were not always in my favor. I'm here, I'm back, I'm too blessed to be stressed, so I can't complain, right? Here we go. Nice golden brown Philly cheesesteak egg roll, just the way you like it. I'll make a dipping sauce for this. You don't want to leave them in there too long. I figured out 3 to 4 minutes, not even 4 minutes, depending on the heat, because once you take them out, the heat comes back up. So, you know, you figure about 3 minutes, because as you can see, it's not taking very long to get brown. And that's only how brown you want them. It's your egg roll. You can make it the way you like it. And as you can see, when you have it at the bottom too long and you don't move them around, it gets a little darker on one edge and it's not evenly, you know, browned. We got a few more of these to go through, and we're going to get these all fried up. Again, don't forget to hit the like button, guys, subscribe, and hit that bell. And it helps me make recipes and continue to produce recipes from my archives that I like to share with you. A lot of times, guys, a lot of people don't realize when they look at the videos, and not just mine, other cooks on YouTube, they go through a whole lot. It's a lot of work. You know, just making preparation. They spend their money to buy the food, to cook it, to show off some of their skills or some of their you know, some of the specials that they like, you know, what their appetite likes, and they share it with others. And sometimes we look for just to give us a thumbs up, or let us know if you like the video, or let us know what we could have done better with the ingredients, or if you know something that you'd like to add to the ingredients, send a comment. And so this way you can enlighten us and we enlighten each other. We give back to one another. I'm Mike G. This is Flavor Foodie, and we're making cheesesteak egg rolls the way you like it. It's fire. All right, guys. So we got all of our egg rolls pretty much done, and we're going to get ready to rack these all up after this one right here. And let them drain a little bit on the rack to get all of the grease off the top of them. Get the grease off the top of them. We're going to let them drain a little bit on the rack. And okay. That's our last one. And we're going to put that up on the rack. And we're going to let these drain for a minute. And I'm going to prepare these. Okay, guys, they're draining on the rack. So we're going to prepare this. I'll be right back. Don't go nowhere. There you have it, guys. Double delicious, twice as nice Philly cheesesteak egg roll is in the house, and it's got a dipping sauce. In today's dipping sauce, I'm going to be using a buffalo wing sauce I made. Also, this buffalo wing sauce is a very delicious dipping sauce, but you can use the yum yum sauce. You can use a mango mayo. You can use whatever you choose to use. It will be delicious. I mean, if you want to use a little mayo and ketchup together, it will flow. It will still taste good because this is cheesy and very delicious. I mean, hey, I'm Mike G. This is Flavor Foodie, and you've been flavorized. Once again, guys, thank you for joining me. Thank you for coming back to the channel, and thank you for being patient. I appreciate you. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the recipes, and try the recipes, guys, and give me a heads up and see if it works out for you. If it does, give me a shout. I'll talk to you the next time. Peace, God bless, and much love. Bye now.